Hello, welcome to our channel. Did you know that crystals can aid in the healing of various areas of our lives? This stone is capable of blocking even the strongest attacks of black magic, envy, and the evil eye. Its use is widely recommended for personal energy protection, purification of environments, and to ward off ill-intentioned people. Additionally, it is excellent for preventing nightmares and maintaining tranquility in difficult times. Considered one of the most powerful protection stones, Red Jasper is highly effective in combating and blocking all forms of negative energies. It has such an intense force that it is capable of breaking down attacks of black magic and envy. This protective stone not only blocks negative energies, but also purifies environments, prevents conflicts, and keeps ill-intentioned people at bay. Red Jasper is highly recommended for balancing the nervous system, controlling blood pressure, and improving digestion. It is beneficial for the health of the bladder, liver, stomach, and spleen. In addition to improving sleep quality, it helps eliminate excess weight, stabilizes emotions, and strengthens sexual energy. Due to its high and stable energy, Red Jasper does not need to be recharged frequently. To restore its energy, simply leave it in the sunlight for 30 minutes. To cleanse the jasper, wash it in running water with coarse salt or leave it in direct contact with the earth for about an hour. How to use Red Jasper. Being a great protector, Red Jasper is ideal to be used as a personal protection jewel. To protect your home or office, choose a good-sized red jasper and place it in a central room. To enjoy its therapeutic effects, wear a jewel made with red jasper, or sleep with a point or pyramid of the stone on the left side of the bed. Red jasper is an essential stone for those seeking protection, balance, and personal empowerment. Its versatility and power make it an excellent ally for facing challenges and maintaining serenity.